Hey YouTube, what's up? So today I want to talk about something that I really love about the Canon R6, and this is after about 2 weeks of using it, and that is having the ability to jump from mechanical shutter to electronic shutter. Now I know there's probably more uses from switching between these two shutter choices, but shooting sports has been a breeze using the mechanical alone along with the electronic, and that is because going from the 5D Mark IV and having like 5.5 to 6 frames per second per photo burst, or my Nikon D3S I used to shoot with, which was 9, I'm jumping to 12 on the mechanical shutter here, or 20 on the electronic shutter. Having a burst that's at 12 or 20 on the Canon R6 is awesome for sports, and I know this camera probably wasn't ever thought to be used as a sports camera, but for the price range and what lenses you could attach to this with the adapter, it's awesome. I've been using my 70-200 for my EF mount, and I use the adapter and I lose no autofocus capabilities. The autofocus is quick and snappy, and every image is sharp in my burst. With the 5D Mark IV, you would occasionally lose the focus, but it was also not made for sports at all. But having the Canon R6 revamp my sports photography, as that is where I started in photography and I've been wanting to get back. Having the 12 frames per second in the mechanical shutter is outstanding. I love it. And then occasionally jumping over to the 20 just to see the difference, or have those extra frames in there during the action of the photo, or a tackle or a throw, whatever it may be, has been awesome. So I just want to show you guys some examples that I got at the last football game, because I was thinking, why not share that with you guys? So I'm going to show you a sequence of images from the mechanical shutter, and then I'll show you a sequence of images from the electronic shutter, and here they are. So I hope you guys like those examples. I did edit them in Lightroom and then export and brought them into Premiere Pro and put them in a little sequence and kind of sped it up so you can see a little closer to the real life burst. It is a little slower, obviously, so you can see each image between the electronic and the mechanical shutter sequences. So soon I'll be doing a video over my experiences with shooting sports with the Canon R6, and I'll kind of go over like ISO and how well it does in high ISO and the autofocus, and what I have found to work for me or not work for me. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate if you would like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.